Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Want to give UAG a huge shout out for giving me the opportunity to review their Urban Armor Gear approved, drop tested, discreet protection civilian series case for my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now this is the olive drab color. You have one other color choice and that is black. You'll see that right there. Both cases, $49.95, basically 50 smacks. Now, I'll be leaving some information down below in the description area. Two links, one for Amazon and the other for the UAG website. And it doesn't matter where you decide to go, whether it's the UAG website or Amazon, it's going to cost you $49.95 for the olive drab or the black case. So, with that being said, let's go through the reviewing process so you can get a good idea of what the olive drab civilian series case will look like on your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Always digging the UAG presentation. Built to go further, shock absorbing soft core, impact resistant bumpers, feather light armor shell. And with that being said, let's get the case out of the packaging. Close that up, put that to the side. Urban Armor Gear brand name on the back. Love the way UAG abbreviated their brand name back there. That just looks super cool. Just a fresh, simple look, but a lot being said here to protect my investment, my S20 Ultra. 2 layers of shock absorbing materials on the inside, soft core with a dynamic hexagon pattern. UAG brand name right there as well. Very nice. Very nice. I love that orange coloring on the corners from right to left, left to right, all the way across and down here on each corner. That just, with the green, the black TPU bumper all the way around, and the orange, yeah, that just looks really, really nice. Super bold, super bold. All right, we're going to put my S20 Ultra inside of the olive drab UAG Civilian Series case. Wow. My red matte D-brand skin coming through up against that green with that honeycomb D-brand skin covering the cameras there. Come on now. That is just beautiful. And yes, very bold. Very bold. Wow. Power button. Everything working the way it should. Face unlock so I can test out the volume rocker. Very nice. Very nice. Totally digging that. And we're going to test out my third-party USB Type-C cable because this is the thickest cable that I have right here in this area, right where you plug it in. So the cutout down below has to be big enough to fit this guy right here. So we're going to turn off the display and bam, just like that. Totally digging that. Cutout right there for the speaker grill. And yes, that cutout right there for the USB Type-C charging port area and your mic. And up top, a cutout for the other mic. On the left-hand side, no buttons whatsoever, but we do have the UAG brand name right there. All right, turn off the display again so we can test out wireless charging. should have no issues whatsoever. Wow, this is just a gorgeous case. Look at that. That just looks beautiful. Camera cutout. Got a little bit of depth going on there. So a little bit of lip all the way around when setting down on flat surfaces. If the surface is a little bit rough, you could probably get away with that, but I'm going to choose to go with a flat surface. Again, you have a little bit of depth there. Up top and at the bottom of the civilian case, you have plenty of lip to work with. Just check that out all the way across the bottom, all the way across the top. When setting down on flat surfaces, or even if the surface is a little bit rough. Get another good look at the civilian olive drab urban armor gear case on the S20 Ultra. Wow. Just loving the red, the black, the green. The abbreviated Urban Armor Gear brand name. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Any questions? Please leave that down below in the comment section. Would appreciate it very much. And again, huge shout out to UAG for giving me the opportunity to represent. Thanks for watching, everybody. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless. Peace. I am out.